Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing well, and today's videos I'm gonna talk about how to use ChatGPT on Android and iPhone devices, that is iOS devices. ChatGPT AI was recently launched by OpenAI and is rapidly gaining popularity around the globe. It is intended to work like a chat. It can help with many tasks including writing codes or resolving complex psychological and emotional issues. ChatGPT is unavailable in Google Play Store for Android or the Apple Store. However, you can still access the chatbot from your phone using other method. ChatGPT is based on GPT-3 API. It can only be accessed via OpenAI website. Some users have attempted to link with AI with other platforms, but there hasn't been much progress. There is certainly no ChatGPT stand-alone app for iOS or iPhone. You can access it through GPT-3 API and the OpenAI website. Now the question is how to use ChatGPT on Android devices. So you can access it from any other browser including Google Chrome and Firefox. The OpenAI website has a chatbot that you can access by clicking here. How to use ChatGPT on iPhone. Easiest way to use it with an OpenAI website. To do this, you will need to use one of the online browsers on your iPhone such as Safari or Chrome. To use GPT-3 API, you must purchase an app or service. For that, you first need to set up a chatgpt account on the OpenAI website. Go to the official OpenAI website. Click the Try option. This option is located at the top right corner of the interface. Click the Sign Up option. Click on Create OpenAI account. Register using your email ID or continue with Google or Microsoft account. Now click on Playground option and ask anything you wish. So this video is in detail about how to use ChatGPT on Android and iOS devices, and also 14 best alternative to ChatGPT have been discussed in this particular video. Hope you like this video, which is full of useful info about the most happening topic, that is ChatGPT. If you happen to be new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button and share it with your friends and family members to become aware of the use of ChatGPT, the most happening topic in the world now. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.